everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Tonkeeper app. So if you also want to update Tonkeeper app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So updating the Tonkeeper application is very easy. You might want to update the application because your application is not working smoothly, or if you want the new features and benefits, you might want to update the application. So if you also want to update the Tonkeeper app, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Tonkeeper. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the application for Tonkeeper. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once your application has been updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to find the option for open. That means your application is updated and you're using the latest version of the application. So that is how you update Tonkeeper app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.